Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to buy Airbnb gift card. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Airbnb app and then go to the profile section and you need to scroll down until you find something called gift card. Click on it and then there are several options. You can either click buy now or maybe redeem the gift card that you are received. So let's say I want to buy a gift card, right? You just have to pick a design for the gift card, right? And then once you finish picking the design, you can choose the amount. And you can also send it to the email or send it to the text message or to the mail. And you can enter the recipient name and maybe add a custom message for the gift. You can also specify the date to send the gift card. And once you are finished, you can hit add to cart and you will be able to buy the gift card. But that is how you can buy a gift card in Airbnb.